Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tenergy channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to get a custom lithium-ion battery pack at Tenergy, whether it's for a DIY project or a replacement for a device you currently have. Let's get into it. If you want to buy multiple lithium-ion single cells to build your battery pack, go to our website at power.tenergy.com. Click on Batteries to see the drop-down menu, and then select 18650 under the text cells. This page shows all 18650 cells we currently have and a list of battery details listed side by side for easier comparison. After choosing the one you want, click on Buy Now. Select the number of cells you want to buy here. And you'll have the option to have your batteries come with a tab or without a tab. Then select Add to Cart. After choosing the cell, you will need to select the correct PCB to build your battery pack. To find it, click on Accessories to see the drop-down menu. Here under PCB, there are multiple options. Depending on your final battery pack voltage, how many will be wired in series, you'd want to choose it accordingly. For example, let's say I want to build a 2-cell lithium-ion battery pack with a nominal voltage of 7.4 volts. I'll select this one. It'll take you to a page showing all the available PCB for 2 cells lithium-ion battery packs. You just need to select the one that you want. Then add it to cart and check out. However, if you're not confident in building your own battery pack, you can order one directly from Tenergy. To do that, click on Batteries to see the drop-down menu, select 18650 under text cells, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Custom Battery Packs. We have a variety of lithium-ion battery packs that are already built, so we recommend checking them out first to see if you can find what you're looking for before contacting us. To do that, select the voltage you want for your battery pack to be. For example, my device requires 11.1 volt input, so I'll select 11.1V. It immediately shows many different battery packs that indicates 10.8 volts or 11.1 volts. Essentially, these are the same pack and same features. Now I need to check the battery shape, dimension, and discharge rate to see if any of these will fit my device. To see full details on the specifications on the pack, you can always click on the product page and scroll down to see it. We also included the supported charger recommendation in case you don't have one yet. Let's say these two battery packs have the same shape and dimensions I'm looking for. They both have the same discharge rate of 9 amps. The difference between them is the capacity. I want my device to have a longer runtime, so I'll select this one, which has 300 mAh more capacity than the other one. If you can't find what you're looking for, we have a request form that you can fill out to order a more specific battery pack. To see the form, you can click again on Batteries and then select 18650 under text cells. Scroll down, click on Custom Battery Pack, and here's the form. We recommend filling out the form with as much info as you can in order to get the right custom battery pack for your device. The first 2 lines simply ask for your contact information, including your name and email address, so we can contact you after receiving your request. The next steps is to provide a brief description of your device. For example, if you're looking for a replacement battery for an inspection camera, then type in inspection camera here. You'll need to let us know if it's a new battery pack design or not. Since in this example, I'm looking for a replacement battery pack, I'll select replacing an existing battery. Under battery chemistry, I'll select lithium-ion since that's compatible with my device. Tenergy also offers other chemistry types such as nickel metal hydride, NiCad, lithium iron phosphate, and LiPo. The next 5 lines will require you to fill out information as precisely as possible because it'll affect your device performance directly. To find the info, you can either check the label on your previous battery, your device manual, or ask your device manufacturer. A nominal or typical operating voltage is the voltage that your application requires to be able to work properly. The device I have requires 11.1 volt, so I'll type in 11.1V. Next is the minimum capacity, which indicates the runtime on your device. My previous battery's capacity is 4400 mAh, so I'll type that in here. For the maximum available dimension, you can either enter the data you get from measuring your previous battery or its device battery compartment. For example, the battery dimension I need are about 8.1 inches in length, 3.2 inches in width, and 1.6 inches in height. Next is the average or continuous draw rate. You can enter the value here either in milliamp or in amps. If your device current draw is 2 amps, you can type in 2A or 2000 milliamp here. For maximum peak or burst current, Some example devices that you might need to consider the burst current are RC toys or cordless screwdrivers. If you're not sure whether your device has maximum peak current or not, you can leave it as blank and we'll reach out to you to help confirm. The next step is select the temperature you normally use or charge your device at and select all that apply to you. I use and charge my device mostly at room temperature, so I'll select this one. Moving on to wire changes. If you want your wire to have a certain length or connector, check the boxes that apply. Then type the details down here. Please note that if you don't specify the wire length and wire gauge, we'll use a standard 6-inch wire length with American wire gauge supporting output. For example, I'll check all these boxes and type what I want here. Well, I want to have a mini Tamiya connector, 7-inch wire length, American wire gauge, and wire type is PVC. Next is a question about whether or not you need a charger. If you don't have a charger and want to know our recommendation, you can click on yes box here. For the quantity, Tenergy doesn't have a minimum order quantity, so if you need 1 battery or 100 batteries, just type the number in here. I'll type in 1 for this example. Then enter date you need the batteries by, and click on submit. That's it. The next step is to wait for us to review your request and we'll contact you through email that you provided earlier. Of course, you can always contact our customer service either through phone, email, or live chat if you have any questions or need assistance. That's all for today's video. We hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.